In today's fast-paced digital world, the smartphone has evolved from a simple communication device into an indispensable ally. Now, with the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, smartphones have taken on the role of highly sophisticated personal assistants, transforming how we manage our day-to-day activities, our work, and even our leisure. Imagine waking up in the morning and having your smartphone greet you with a personalized briefing for the day. It knows your schedule, remembers your meetings, and even suggests the optimal route to avoid traffic. This is not science fiction. This is the power of AI merged with smartphone technology. At the heart of this transformation are advanced AI algorithms that enable smartphones to learn and adapt to our preferences over time. These algorithms analyze patterns in our behavior, from the apps we frequently use to the times we prefer for certain activities, refining how they assist us. But the capabilities go far beyond mere scheduling. AI personal assistants are now offering unprecedented levels of interaction. Voice-activated systems like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa are understood not just as voice command tools, but as interactive partners that understand natural language, anticipate user needs, and engage in meaningful dialogue. These assistants are equipped with vast databases, allowing them to fetch a spectrum of information, from weather updates to culinary recipes, just through a simple voice request. Moreover, AI enhances accessibility features, ensuring that those with disabilities can engage with technology seamlessly. For instance, voice and gesture controls are tailored to meet diverse needs, making smartphones and their powerful AI assistants more inclusive than ever before. Privacy, however, emerges as a crucial factor in this discussion. AI personal assistants require a significant amount of data to function optimally, and this raises concerns about data security and privacy. It's paramount for users to be aware of how their data is managed and to have control over what information they choose to share. Manufacturers are continually developing stronger privacy protocols to safeguard user data, balancing the benefits of AI assistance with necessary security measures. Looking ahead, the AI smartphone duo is set to become even more sophisticated. We're on the brink of innovations where smartphones may predict what we need before we even realize it ourselves, like recommending a playlist to enhance our mood or prompting us to act on tasks based on past behavior. In conclusion, the integration of AI in smartphones is not just a technological advancement. It represents a significant leap in how we interact with and perceive technology. By elevating the personal assistant capabilities of smartphones, AI helps us navigate through life with greater efficiency and ease, continuing to reshape the landscape of our everyday experiences. As we embrace these advancements, it remains essential to ensure a balance between harnessing their benefits and preserving our privacy. Through careful consideration and a focus on ethical use, the AI smartphone partnership is set to lead us into a future where technology truly feels personalized and intuitive.